All right, here we have the graph of y equal ln of x. Let's graph next y equals 0, which you know is here. Make sure we get that correct. Y equals 0. And then we've got x equal e, so that is here. X equal e, which we know is e is about 2.7, it's bigger than 1. All right, so we're looking to see where is it I'm revolving about? Revolving it about y equal 1. All right, let's graph y equal ln of x. There we go. You know it crosses here at x equal 1. Then let's graph next y equals 0. So here's y equals 0. And let's graph next x equal e. X equal e is here, 2.7. So we've got all three of the graphs here. So what are we revolving it about? We're revolving it about y equal 1. So where is y equal 1 on this? Well, we know that ln of e equals 1. That is a fact. So where x equal e runs into the graph of ln of x, that is 1. So right here is y equal 1. So this is what I'm revolving it about. So this is the center. All right, so we are always drawing our rectangles perpendicular to the axis we're rotating it about. So I'm going to make this the center line and make the inside radius, and then I'll make the outside radius, because we want to be able to find out what that inside and outside radius is. So the inside radius, put it in red here, is from here to here. The outside radius will be from here to here. Okay, so let's start setting up our equation here. So it'll be pi outside radius squared minus inside radius squared. And remember, you have to look and see what kind of integration I'm doing. The thickness of this rectangle is dx, so it's dx integration. So dx integration. All right, so the outside radius is this green, so I'll put the capital R here, is this green distance. So we're measuring everything from the x-axis. So from here up to here is the distance to the equation of y equal 1. So the inside radius is this red distance. How am I going to get the red distance? Well, I want to say go all the way up to the y equal 1 and take away this black, right? Go all the way up to the green and take away the black, and that will give me that red inside distance. So that means go all the way up to 1 and take away this black distance, which is the ln of x. All right. So then where am I going to be building rectangles from and to? Where am I beginning building rectangles and where am I ending? So I can see I'm beginning building at x equal 1 and I end building at x equal e. All right, let's look at this next one. So here I have y equals 6 minus x squared. So 6 minus x squared is shifted up by 6, parabola here. And y equal 4 is a horizontal line, like here. Okay. And I'm revolving it about y equal 2. So y equal 2 is here. Okay, so let's get some black dots going of what is the area that I'm spinning. I'm revolving this area. And this green line is the center line. That is the center. All right, so let's get a picture of this, what this one rectangle is doing. So this is the center. So I'm trying to make it look like the center, and that will help you to try to figure out what the radius are. So the center here going all the way out. The outside radius, center to go in the inside radius is what I'm looking for. All right, so the volume will equal pi. So I'm going to have the outside radius, subtract off the inside radius, and again, I can see it's dx integration by how I'm drawing the rectangles. All right, so the outside radius. So the outside radius is from the center line out to here. That's what the distance that I want to have. So everything gets measured from here, the x-axis. So I have to say go all the way up to the parabola and then take away this distance of 2, and that will give me the outside radius. So that's 6 minus x squared minus the 2. Then the inside radius, let me get a little green going here. So the inside radius is this distance right here. So how am I going to get that distance? So that distance, again, we're measuring everything from the x-axis. So we want to say go all the way up to 4 and then take away 2. So go all the way up to 4 and then take away 2. All right, and then where am I building rectangles from and to on the x-axis? So if I set 6 minus x squared equal to 4, I'll get 2 is equal to x squared. So plus or minus root 2 are the x's. So negative root 2 to positive root 2.